honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, I have a first look unboxing of my newest kitchen gadget. Y'all know I love me some kitchen gadgets. Okay, yes, told y'all to guess what it was in my other video. It's another air fryer. Okay, it's called the Borlebbi. Probably haven't heard of it. Borlebbi. That's the way it looks. 10 quart capacity. 6 cooking functions. I'm just concerned about one. That's air fryer. 60-minute timer. Touch, so it's digital. It goes from 180 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit temperature. And it has a grounding line plug. That's 3 prongs. On here it says the reduced oil for healthier food. Some air fryer boxes, they say no oil. I use oil. Super fast, 400 degree Fahrenheit airflow. Easy to clean. Got some of the pictures of foods. Of course, you know we can fix everything in the air fryer. Okay, I've already taken that out the box. Came with this little manual, user manual, and I read it. It gives you the preset times. I don't use that. Read your instructions first. And this air fryer, this tells me to season the inside basket first with some kind of oil, and then let it air fry for 15 minutes. And then let it cool, and then just wipe out the excess oil. It said don't rub it, just wipe it out. I've never had to season an air fryer before. And I've had many air fryers. But anyway, this is how she looks. It's easier to do this. That's the way it looks. Like I said, the name of it is Borlebbi. And I saw a couple videos that said that this is basically the same as the MzBrazell. So I know the MzBrazell brand. So I don't know if that's true or not. Anyway, it looks like it. This also looks very much like my Paula Deen 10 quart air fryer. Except this one has a vent at the top. You see that vent? That's an air intake vent. And it has a outtake vent on the back. That's where the hot air blows. So it has a, oh, it got the thing on the back where you can wrap the cord. Okay, where is it? Okay, so y'all can see. See this? So you can wrap the cord around these. Got little hooks. So I can wrap the cord when I'm not using it. And it's not laying all over the counter. Nice, that's a nice touch. Look like a 2.5 foot cord. Don't put the camera on me. 2.5 foot cord, and it has 3 prongs, so it's grounded. Like I said, it's 1700 watts. Turn that around again. Okay. Let's go inside it. Okay, I just took this out the box. This is how it looks inside. It has the air fryer coil plus the fan up there. Looks like it's stainless steel inside. Okay, it has comes with one of these kind of trays. I got 3 or 4 of these from my other air fryers. I don't use them. And it comes with skewers. Like if you want to make some kebabs or sausages, that'll help the sausage cook quicker, I guess, if this metal thing was stuck through a sausage. Okay. Look how big this basket is, y'all. 10 quarts. This is huge. And it comes with this, what do you call this? The fry rack. I don't know what you call this. Okay. And you're supposed to leave these rubber bumpers on here so it don't scratch up the inside finish of this. So that looks on the bottom. It's 1-piece basket. That's how they're making the air fryers now, 1 piece. The first ones had 2-piece baskets where you had to press something on the handle and then lift out the basket. I like this better, which is the right way. Oh. You got the little finger hole so you can put it down in here. I don't know why this one got to be seasoned. Am I going to follow those? Got an echo. Y'all hear me? Wow. It got a max fill line up here right at the top. Now ain't nobody going to put that much food in here that it goes all the way to the top. No. Food will never get done. There's a nice brushed stainless steel finish, and I heard that it really picks up fingerprints, and the sides are shiny black. And like I said, it has the vent at the top and one at the back. So, you know, as always, you have to pull your air fryer out from the wall when you use them, so don't crack your paint, because all that hot air blowing. And it's got a sticker on here. Okay, I'm gonna plug this in. Will that reach over here? It came yesterday. It actually came in 1 day. After I ordered it, I got it from Amazon, and it was a lightning deal, plus $20 off. I got an excellent deal. This was about $93. Gotta pull this more. Trying to get this cord so it'll reach this extension cord I got sitting here. It ain't reaching. Okay, there you go. All right. That's how it looks. That's the on button. So it's preset at 400 degrees for 18 minutes. I'm mainly gonna cook chicken wings. Y'all know me. So 400 degrees, 22 minutes is fine. Okay, what is all this? Got a French fry setting. 400 degrees for how long? 22 minutes. What is that? I don't know what this is. Fish. Okay, I don't want that. I want the fish. Fish setting is 360 degrees for 16 minutes. It depends on how thick the fish is. Oh, what's that? That's for steaks or chops or something. 400 degrees for, how much was that? 15 minutes. That sounds about right. The next one is pizza, 360 for 16 minutes. Maybe. It varies. And what's the next one? Cake, 320 degrees for 12 minutes. It varies. So I like the chicken setting. Okay, 400 degrees, 22 minutes. So I can choose to press the chicken setting, or I can just set the temperature with the plus button on this side. You got the little temperature thermostat thing right there. Or I can touch the time. There's a little clock over on that side, so I can go up or down. And this is the press play button. Turn it on. Oh my goodness. Very, very quiet. Very quiet. I'm waiting to hear what it's going to do. I'm feeling cool air blowing out the back right now because it's not heated up yet. And there's no preheat button on here, but you can always preheat it if you need to. And what else I got to tell you about this? Wow, it's quiet. Let me see if it'll cut off when I open it. It shuts off when you open it. I'm smelling the factory smells right now. I haven't washed it or anything. I'm going to wash it before I use it, of course. And the basket comes in and out easily, unlike my very first air fryer. You had to angle that basket a certain kind of way to get it in there. Okay. And I like this handle. Let me turn this off. Or you can press this to pause it. But I'm going to turn it off. I feel a little bit of heat coming out the back, but not the top vent. That's what I thought. Okay. Oh, I'm going to show y'all. Let me see how hot this is. Oh, it got hot quick. Ooh, the basket is hot. Okay, I'll show you this handle. See this handle? Nice, sturdy handle. For if you gotta shake your fries. I don't shake fries, but some people do. You got a nice handle. Very, very sturdy. Okay, let me look at this thing. So, this is, you can actually cook a steak on here if you want to, but I don't even use these. But if you want to raise your food to a higher level, you turn it this way. If you want it lower, you turn it this way. Okay. All right. So I will be buying some parchment papers to go up under this the insert in here. That thing. What you call that thing? Turn it off. Turn it off. Oh, it'll go off completely when I unplug it. Oh, it's hard to unplug. Okay, there you go. So, y'all will be seeing me cook in my new air fryer. I like it. I like what I see. Like I said, it's very much like that Prejudiced Woman's air fryer. I've since given that air fryer to one of my daughters. They got a lot of kids and they tear up air fryers. All the kids using it, slamming the basket and whatever they be doing. I have yet to tear up any of my air fryers. But anyway, it comes with this book and it comes with this. And it's 10 quarts. That's big. That's huge. Can I lift this without it getting hot? And the bottom of it didn't get hot at all. Just the fry basket. I mean the basket, it got hot. I don't want that glare. This is the Borlebbi 10 quart air fryer. Got it from Amazon. And I got it, it was a lightning deal. So right now it's $139 and they still have the $20 off coupon that you have to check the box if you're interested in this. But I got it for like, I think it was $93. That was a very good price. And I was looking at the Dome air fryer. That's huge, y'all. It holds a lot. I mean, you can't cook no whole chicken, like a rotisserie chicken in that, because the heating element is close to the bottom of it. But anyway, I ain't paying no $4.99 for no air fryer. Now these companies, they watch who air fries food. And my first few years of air frying, all the companies were offering me air fryers, free air fryers to review their product. So they stopped offering. So I would like the Dome people to offer me an air fryer to review, but I ain't buying it. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll put the link to this air fryer in my description box. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. Okay. Bye.